This one here, this is the sleep handpiece. So what you do is this is shaped so that it can push the tongue down so that you can pulse the soft palate. After you pulse the soft palate in about 100 locations, what it does is the collagen underneath the soft palate will tighten, so therefore your soft palate will raise up so you can get more airflow when you're sleeping, and that soft palate won't vibrate so that you don't snore anymore. So this is something we do for a lot of our sleep patients when we give them a sleep appliance. So we do this palate treatment along with it, therefore they can breathe a lot easier when they're sleeping and you don't have sleep apnea.